family Christmas tree that we built together with my mom and dad. Not only we made a priceless family Christmas tree, we also built good memories together while building it together. I am blessed and thankful to my dad for showing me and teaching me how to do this beautiful tradition of family Christmas tree that they used to make for Christmas birthdays. Now I am happy and proud to share it with you. Hope that you will learn it and share it with your loved and ones as well. Christmas is family, Christmas is hope, Christmas is love, Christmas is joy. Let us all continue to hope, love on one another, and bring joy every day, and not only on Christmas Day. So we will always have peace on earth and unity to one another. Merry Christmas, and may this coming year be a wonderful year for you and your family.